Hello friends! Today, Binga and Rolly have given us a challenge and we have to put together a top level puzzle, the hard set level. But I'm sure we can do it. Let's go! Let's go! Okay, I think so. We need 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, where is corners number 1? Oh, look, I see corners, but I don't know these corners number 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, this pitch puzzle. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Okay, where is number 2? No, it's not right. 3. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, and where is number 4? This. It's right. Cool, I like it. Coordinates number 2. Oh yeah, I see. Coordinates number 2. Where is your place? This? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes, it's right. Cool. I like it. It's okay. Corners number 3. These are this. These are this. I think so. This. Yes. Cool. It's right. And corners number 4. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not right. It's not corners. These corners. Yes, it's right. Ta-da! It's right. Cool. Okay, we have a 4 corners. Yahoo! And we need now 4 line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But you know, all pitch puzzles with line, one side line. In the sample, yes. 1, 2, 3 side not line, and this, yes, it's line. And we need now all pitch puzzles with line, one side line. Okay. We have now 2 pitch puzzles with line this. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Plates. I think so. It's right. Pitch puzzles, but where is he plates? I think so. This. Yes, it's right. Cool. I like it. Friends, I see these pitch puzzles. Right. Yes, it's right. Okay. I think so. We need these pitch puzzles. Yes, these pitch puzzles. These are this. These are this. Maybe this. Not. It's not right. Are this? Yes, it's right. Cool. And well, pitch puzzles with line this. No, it's not right. No. Oh yeah, I think so. This pitch puzzle, this. Yes, it's right. Woohoo! Cool. And now we need 3 pitch puzzles with line this. I see 1 pitch puzzles, 2 and 3. And these pitch puzzles, I don't know. These are this. Maybe this? Not. It's not right. Or this? Not right. Or this? Yes, it's right. Cool. And this peach puzzle, I think so. On this. Yes, yes, go, friends. It is right. And this peach puzzle, this. Woohoo! Amazing and beautiful. And we need only 3 peach puzzles with line. These 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this peach puzzle. Where is he placed? This? I think so. No, I think so. No, maybe this? Yes, it's right. Girl. And these are this. Maybe this? Not. It's not right. This? Yes. Cool. And this is puzzles only this. Yes. Woohoo. Perfect. Guys, friends, look. We did it. Yes. Now we have a 4 line. All peach puzzles with line. It's right. Yes. Cool. And now we need all peach puzzles in the center. 6 peach puzzles. And I see 1 peach puzzles with rolling. Yes. And 2 peach puzzles with rolling. I think so. This peach puzzles, this. Not. It's not right. Or this. Yes. It's cool. It's cool. And peach puzzles number 2 with rolling. Yes. It's right. Cool. Rolling we have. And bingo. Now we need peach puzzle with bingo. I see 1 peach puzzles, 2, 3, and 4. All peach puzzles with bingo. Okay. Okay. This peach puzzles made this. Not. It's not right. Or this. Yes. Oh, it is right. Look. It is ice. I think so. We need puzzles with ice. Bingo. Oh, maybe this peach puzzles? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes. Cool. And well, peach puzzles with ice. Bingo. Ta-da! Oh, we did it. And only 1 peach puzzles, and we did it. Guys, we did it! Woo! Let's go! Cool! It is cool, bingo rolling. Wow! Thank you, friends. Thank you. I think so. It's very interesting and beautiful moments. Thank you, bingo rolling. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye.